Hey everyone, welcome to the first episode in our series where I discuss the AI models that DecideAI has deployed on chain. A while back, we deployed a hate speech detection model, but since then, there have been large strides on the base layer. When I started researching AI on chain, I was interested in running a model that would provide me a reference point for how efficiently I could run models on a blockchain. So I thought I'd start with a small, well-known open source language model, GPT-2. The tricky part about these types of models is that in order to generate a response, you are making a prediction for every word. That's a lot of predictions to make on a blockchain. However, when the Internet Computer recently enabled SIMD computations, we saw a near 20-fold increase in the compute capacity for language models. You can test this out for yourself by deploying it using our open source repo, but I suspect that most people would prefer to toy around with a version that we deployed on chain, which is completely free to use. So if we try, how do I split a string in Python? We'll watch it produce its text, and you can see it answering now. Now, running an AI on blockchain is pretty constrained even for a blockchain with as immense capabilities as the Internet Computer. The only way we could run this model for free is by packaging the task into chunks that could be processed as query calls. In general, when an AI is making a prediction, it doesn't need to update the distributed ledger, so it's best to run as a certified query, which gives us the security at the minimal cost. In order to make these computations feasible as queries on the Internet Computer, we have to pass the key value cache, the values that correspond to how the model represents each word, through to each successive query call. We can only generate a single word per query, which explains the speed with which we see the responses come from the free model, although we can generate up to 17 words in a single call if we use an update. And since SIMD is still only supported for 32-bit precision floating point numbers, we experimented with how we could quantize the key value cache so that we could send smaller messages, and that would be faster and provide a larger context window. That explains some of the processes that went into deploying a free version of GPT-2 that runs entirely on chain. And as you can see from the result, the model isn't capable of generating high-quality text, but you can probably see its potential. And this deployment sets the stage for us to release increasingly capable AI on the IC at a faster clip than ever before. So, hope you have fun playing with it, and I would be looking forward to some impressive LLMs coming to the Internet Computer in the near future.